Hey guys, in this tutorial we'll take a look into some problems. Before that, we need to know a bit of algebra of limits. So first let's take a look at addition. Limit as x tends to a, f of x plus g of x. So when we have limit of addition of two functions, we can split it into limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. Same thing applies for minus. We get limit x tends to a f of x minus g of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus limit x tends to a g of x. So the same thing applies for addition as well as multiplication. So limit f of x into g of x is limit x tends to a f of x into limit x tends to a g of x, and division. So f of x by g of x, we can split in the denominator as well as the numerator. So limit x tends to a g of x. So we can basically split all the limits and across the arithmetic operations. So let's take a look at the problems. So there is this method called factorization method, which we will use in this problem. So here, if we see, when we substitute 2 in the denominator, we get 4 minus 4, that's 0, and in numerator we get 8 minus 4 into 2 square is 4, so 4 into 4 is 16. 8 minus 16, so we get 8 minus 16 plus 4 2s are 8 by 4 minus 4. So 8 plus 8 is 16, minus 16 is 0 by 0. So this is an indeterminate form. We cannot solve this. So we will factorize the numerator and the denominator. This is how we do it. Limit x tends to 2. Let's take x common in this. We get x square minus 4x plus 4 by, we know that this is in the form of x square minus 2 square. So limit x tends to 2. This is x square minus 4x plus 4. This is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is x and b is 2. So this is nothing but x minus 2 whole square. So let's put that here. We get x into x minus 2 whole square, and this is a square minus b square, so we know its factor should be x minus 2 into x plus 2. So we see that 1 x minus 2 gets cancelled. So now let's substitute the limit as x tends to 2. Let's put 2 there. 2 minus 2 by 2 plus 2. So this will give us 2 into 0 by 4. So this is 0. Now in this, the same thing applies. When we substitute 2 here, we get 3 into 4 minus 2 minus 10 by 4 minus 4, which is equal to, this is 12 minus 12, 0 by 0. So let's use the factorization again. So we know this minus x can be split into minus x plus 5. So limit x tends to 2, 3x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 by, this is the same as we did the last time, the factors is x minus 2 and x plus 2. This, let's simplify it. We get 3x into x minus 2 plus 5 into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 2. So let's take x minus 2 common. We get limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into 3x plus 5 by x minus 2 into x plus 2. So we see that x minus 2 gets cancelled. Now let's substitute the limit. We get 3 into 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 is 11 by 4. Now let's take a look at this question. This looks tricky, but it's the same thing. We see that when we substitute root 3 here, we get root 3 power 4 minus 9 by here root 3 squared plus 4 root 3 into root 3 minus 15. So root 3 power 4 we know it's 9, so 9 minus 9 gives us 0. By 9, this root 3 square is 3 plus 3, root 3 into root 3 is 2. So 3 plus 12, that's 15 minus 15, so it is 0 by 0. So since it's 0 by 0, let's do factorization again. X power 4 minus x power 9, let's simplify it this way. We get a squared minus b squared, so x squared whole squared minus 3 squared by this can be written as 5 root 3 minus 3 root minus root 3, so x squared plus 5 root 3x minus root 3x plus minus 15. So limit x tends to root 3. This will give us x squared minus 3 into x squared plus 3 by, let's take x into x plus 5 root 3 minus root 3 into x plus 5 root 3. So this gives us limit x tends to root 3. X squared minus 3 can be written as x minus 3 root 3 by into x plus root 3 into x squared plus 3, as this is x squared minus root 3 squared. So this gives us x minus root 3 into x plus 5 root 3. Limit x tends to root 3. We see that these two terms get cancelled, so the remaining is x plus root 3 into x squared plus 3 by x plus 5 root 3. So let's substitute the limit. We get root 3 plus root 3, which is 2 root 3, and root 3 square is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 by root 3 plus 5 root 3 gives us 6 root 3. So 6 gets cancelled, root 3 gets cancelled, answer is 2. This is all for this tutorial. Let's see more in the next tutorial.